Upon arrival, our technician will meet with you to discuss your needs and the issue at hand before getting to work. You will receive a text with a picture and bio of your technician before they arrive, so you'll know who is coming to your door and when they will arrive. So no more waiting around for service. As our customers have come to expect, our technicians are prepared to treat your home as if it was their own. They'll use boot covers to protect your floors, dispose of any and all job site debris, and remain tobacco and profanity free, all to ensure you and your home are treated with courtesy and respect. The same way that we've earned so many 5-star reviews over the last 25 years. After evaluating your home and system to determine what seems to be the issue or identify your best options for new equipment, they will then walk you through their findings and recommendations along with any associated costs. And don't worry, you'll know the detailed price before we start to work. Our straightforward pricing means no surprises, no hidden fees, and absolutely no gimmicks. Even if more work is needed to complete what is quoted, the price you agree to pay is the price you pay, so every project together ends with your satisfaction.
We've worked with Kearns Mechanical for years. Greg and his team are fantastic. We've always had great service. They're very professional and they do such great work. When they're here, there's never a mess that's left behind. They are very courteous in knowing that this is my home, and they do a great job at keeping things clean. We've developed a relationship over the years, and they're just so trusting and kind. They do a fantastic job, and I'd highly recommend them.